I'm coming back.
Okay. If anybody got this video back, me and Dylan got separated from everybody about 4 hours to 5 hours ago. We're freezing, we're in the storm, and we finally found the spot we're gonna take shelter. Over here. Okay. If anybody finds this video, Dylan right now, I know I'm exhausted. I can't go any farther. Dylan. The only thing we've had to survive on is a cigar and there's a can of Truly. He's not old enough to have either, so he won't last as long. But tell everybody we love him. Well, I was so bad for all the things we do anyway. But